This is Gardening with Keita. This is Keita, and today I'm going to be showing you my seed hauls. Some of my favorite things to do is to shop for seeds. And today I'll be sharing with you my seed haul from In My Gardener and Botanical Interests. It's a pretty big bag. That's right. Whoa. Let's see what I got. I got some Ford Hook lima beans. This is a Market More cucumber, a muncher cucumber, some Cosmos. Hmm. Oh, I bought my sister some Cosmos as well. And that was the Dazzler Red. And this is also the Picotee. Another Picotee. Oh, low bulk cilantro. Let's see how this will hold up in this Texas heat. A Cubanelle pepper. Hyssop. Common English thyme. A toothache plant. Spillanthus. Moringa. Oh, can't wait to try this. Large leaf sorrel, champion collards. They look gorgeous. Texas early grano onions. Another Ford Hook lima bean. Pinto beans. Tabasco pepper. Another pinto bean. The giant Marconi pepper. I got two of the top crop bush bean. I got another top crop actually. So that's three. What, four? Uh-uh. I have a pack of jade bush beans. I have some lemon balm. Have you smelled lemon balm? Oh my God, it smells so good. I can't wait to use it. I have some growing outside right now. Here is some catnip, the emerald giant bell pepper, the Roman chamomile. Trying to do better on my herb garden this year. This is the Manitoba tomato. It's a determinate tomato, which I don't have a lot of, so I'm looking forward to using this one. This is the New Yorker tomato, which is also a determinate. Let's see. This is the Black Seaman tomato. That's a pretty tomato, and it's also a determinate. This is the Olive Shades patio tomato. It's also a determinate. I did a good job getting determinates this time. Okay, and I'm looking forward to trying this next year. The cream sausage tomato. It's just had an interesting name. I want to see what it tastes like. It's also a determinate. These are the Oriental yard long pole bean. I'll be trying this next summer. And another jade bush bean. And that was my haul for In My Gardener. If you haven't checked out In My Gardener, please do so. I love their website and they are very affordable. Um, I love when they have sales. And they were also nice enough to give me a sample of their trifecta fertilizer. It's a 5-10-4 NPK. I can't wait to try this as well. All right, and that was my haul for In My Gardener. Next up here is my haul for from Botanical Interest. I love their seeds as well. Can you see the pretty box it comes in? All right, let's open it together. And let's see all of my seeds. Oh, isn't that nice? I love their packaging. I have quite the haul as well here. Let's see. Put this over here. Okay, let's get started. So I got the top bunch collards. I'm looking forward to trying these in my fall garden, along with the champion collards that I have. I may do some Georgia collards as well. We'll see. Um, Here is one of my favorite flowers in the garden. It is a zinnia. It's the Envy zinnia, which should be a pretty lime green color. I'll try these out next summer. Oh, they gave a seed starting guide. Would be pretty helpful. Okay. I also have a hyacinth bean. It's the ruby moon hyacinth bean. I just thought it was interesting. It looks pretty. It looks really pretty. I'm sorry. And I just want to try. I just get seeds sometimes just to try to see what it turns out to be. Uh, Sweet William. Aren't those gorgeous? Can't wait to try these as well. They're going to be so pretty. One of my favorites, bok choy. And this is the Choco bok choy variety. Um, these are Gold Rush beans. Um, and their pods are yellow, which is just it's just a green bean to me, but they grow pretty. They did pretty good in my green stalk this summer, so I decided to get a few more. Um, Italian Roma, chocolate cherry tomato. Huh, I forgot about these. I was getting ready to buy some more on another seed website the other day, so I'm glad I didn't buy those. Uh, Giant red mustards. They are so pretty when they grow. Oh my gosh. This is a quick snack cucumber. Another package of Gold Rush beans. Swiss chard. And if you haven't tried Swiss chard, I'm here to tell you, you are missing out. I love Swiss chard. It is standing tall in this Texas heat. I am so proud of it, and it's going to be a staple in my garden from here to come. It's going to always have a place in my garden because it's done so well. Um, this is a tomato bush Roma Supremo. That should be interesting. Uh, San Marzano. I'm growing San Marzano right now. They're doing pretty well. So, I decided to get another packet. I told you I love bok choy. Here's another type of bok choy. This is the Toy Choy variety of bok choy. Can't wait to grow it. These are the Megatron. Uh-oh. The Megatron jalapeno. Yeah, these are jalapenos. Alrighty, that should be super big. Here is my Georgia collards. I'm getting ready for the fall. Fall will be here when you know it, as soon as you know it. So, I'm getting ready to plan out what I'm planning for the fall, and this will always have a place in my garden. Georgia Southern collards. Um, I'm getting ready to also try again with carrots. Let's see if I'm successful. This is the tender sweet carrot. Like the Georgia Southern collard, the Florida mustard broadleaf, the Florida broadleaf mustard green will also have a place in my garden. They do fantastic in the fall time. This is a mountain sweet yellow watermelon. This is a sugar baby watermelon. Um, this is toasty holy basil. Okay. I have some of this growing right now in the garden and it smells great. Garlic chives. I must really love lemon balm because here's another packet of lemon balm. I mean, the smell is fantastic. I can't wait to actually try it. So, here's that from Botanical Interest. And my last seed, I bought some Dahlia Cactus Flower Blend seeds. Yeah, I can't wait to organize all of these seeds in my seed case. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. And that's been my seed haul. Um, if you get a chance, please check out In My Gardener and Botanical Interest. You cannot go wrong with either company. I love their seeds. They have very good quality of seeds. But yeah, check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good one. In the comments, tell me what seeds are you looking to purchase. Tell me what you plan on growing in your fall garden. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.